Hello children, welcome to your EVS class. Today we are going to discuss the question answer of chapter 3. Let us discuss your question number A. Give two examples of each. Here some questions are given. We write two examples of each one. Okay. Leaves with distinct smell. Your number 1 is leaves with distinct smell. Okay. The leaves which are distinct smells are tulsi and mint. Okay. Then number 2, leaves which are used to make disposable plates. The leaves which are make disposable plates are sal and pallas. Okay. Then number 3, leaves of these plants are of small in size. The leaves of plants are in small size are tamarind and neem. You write here tamarind and neem. These are the leaves which are very small in size. Okay. Then number 4, leaves that add flavor. The leaves that add flavor in our food are coriander and mint. Okay, coriander and mint add flavor in our food. The leaves that are eaten by us. The leaves that are eaten by us are spinach and cabbage. These are leafy vegetables which are eaten as food. Okay. These are all about question number A. Okay. Next your question number B. Your question number B is fill in the blanks with the correct answers. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Okay. Here question number 1 is dash leaf is used for making medicines. Here your options are cactus, tulsi, lotus and croton. Which is correct? Tulsi. So you write here tulsi. Tulsi leaf is used for making medicine. Tulsi. Okay, you write here tulsi. Tulsi leaf is used for making medicines. Okay, in next number 2, dash leaf is used for decoration. The options are rose, banana, mango and coriander. Rose, banana, mango and coriander. Which one is correct? Mango leaf. You write here mango. Okay, mango leaf is used for decoration. Then number 3, chlorophyll allows plants to make food using dash. The options are water, air and sunlight, then air and sunlight and water and sunlight. Which one is correct? Chlorophyll allows plants to make food using air, water and sunlight. You write here water, air and sunlight. Water, air and sunlight. Okay. Chlorophyll allows plants to make food using water, air and sunlight. Okay. Then number 4, the leaves of dash are used for dyeing. The options are asoka tree, henna, marigold and methi. Asoka tree, henna, marigold and methi. Which one is correct? The leaves of dash are used for dyeing henna. You write here henna. Henna. Okay, the leaves of henna are used for dyeing. Okay. Next question number C. Your question number C is unscramble the following words with help of the clues. Here some unscramble words are given. You will have to write the correct word with the help of given clues. Okay. The number 1. Here the unscramble word is given and clue is stalk of leaf. What is called the stalk of leaf? The stalk of leaf is called petiole. So you write the correct spelling here. Okay. Okay. P-T-I-O-L-E petiole. Okay. Then number 2, here the unscrambled word is given and the clue is pores on the leaf. The pores on the leaves are called stomata. So your correct word is stomata. You write the correct spelling of stomata. S-T-O-M-A-T-A. Okay. The answer is stomata. This is the correct spelling of this unscrambled word. Okay. Then number 3. This is the unscrambled word. Your clue is natural fertilizer. This is a natural fertilizer. Your natural fertilizer is compost. So the correct word is compost. You write here compost. C-O-S-T. The correct spelling is C-O-M-P-O-S-T, compost. Okay. Then number 4. Here the clue is red, yellow, green. What are these? These are the colors. So you write here the spelling of color. C-O-L-O-U-R. Okay. The spelling of color is C-O-L-O-U-R. These are the colors. So you write these are the colors. C-O-L-O-U-R. Okay. Then number 5. This is called green pigment. Which is called green pigment? Chlorophyll. So this is your chlorophyll. You write here chlorophyll. C-H-L-O-R-O-P-H-Y-L-L. Okay. The spelling of chlorophyll is C-H-L-O-R-O-P-H-Y-L-L. This is chlorophyll. Okay. Now you all are clear. Number C. Your question number D is, the first one is, what is a leaf blade? A leaf blade is a broad part of the leaf. A leaf blade is the broad part of a leaf. Okay. Broad part of a leaf. Okay. What is a leaf blade? A leaf blade is the broad part of a leaf. Then second number, how are leaves different from each other? How are leaves different from each other? Leaves are different from each other in color, shape, size, touch and smell. Okay. You write here, leaves are different each other from each other in color, shape, size, smell and touch. Okay. How are leaves different from each other? Leaves are different from each other in color, shape, size, smell and touch. Okay. Your question number 3 is, when do trees shed their leaves? When do trees shed their leaves? Trees shed their leaves once a year, and some trees shed their leaves when they do not get enough water, and some trees also shed their leaves throughout the year. Okay. You write here, most trees shed their leaves once a year, whereas some trees shed their leaves throughout the year. Throughout the year and some trees shed their leaves when some trees shed their leaves when they don't get enough water. Okay. When do trees shed their leaves? Most of trees shed their leaves once a year, whereas some trees shed their leaves throughout the year, and some trees shed their leaves when they do not get enough water. Okay. Your question number 4 is, how are leaves useful? And write 5 points. Leaves are useful for us in many ways. These are first, number 1 point is they produce oxygen that we breathe in. Leaves produce oxygen that we breathe in. The second point is we eat leaves as food, such as spinach and cabbage. Okay. Then number 3, we use leaves as medicine, such as neem and tulsi. Neem and tulsi we use as medicine. Okay. Number 4, leaves are used as spices, such as bay leaves and fenugreek are the example of spices. Then number 5, in tea we use dried leaves of tea plant. Okay, these are the 5 useful of leaves. Your question number 5 is, what should we remember not to add while making a compost pit? Okay, we should not add cooked food, meat, fish, dairy products, ash, animals waste, use tissue papers while making a compost pit. Always you remember, you should not add these products when you making a compost pit. Okay, meat, fish, dairy products, cooked food, ash, animals waste, use tissue papers. Okay, these are the products we should not add when making the compost pit. Okay. Today we have discussed all the question answer of chapter 3, that is leaves around us. I think all of you clear now. So in our next class we will start our chapter number 4. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.